Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the installation ceremony for Ishre Ahmedabad chapter. We are so glad to have all of you here, and we are going to kickstart now. I would request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
Ishre Job Junction. Young minds are made aware of the need for saving power.
National anthem. ना मैं करूँ.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sohini, and I've been a part of Ishre Ahmedabad chapter for the past 4 years. Thank you so much for being here with us here today. We are so glad to have all of you for the hybrid installation ceremony of Ishre Ahmedabad chapter. Last year has been a test for all of us, and unfortunately, due to the current circumstances, we could not have all of you present with us physically here today. But we are glad to have all of you online with us, and we are also glad to have the CWC team physically present here with us. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Amitabh Sur, who is the Ishre National President, Mr. Ruchi Mittal, who is the immediate past National President, Mr. Chandrasekhar, who is the Ishre National President-elect, Mr. Yogesh Thakur, who is the Ishre National Secretary, Mr. Nishant Gupta, who is the Vice President Technical, Ishre HQ, Mr. Mihir Sanghvi, who is the RD West 1, and Mr. Urvish Shah, who is the RD West 2. I'd also like to thank all of our past presidents. Some of them are here with us today, and we'd like to acknowledge them by showing you a glimpse of all the 30 of them. As you can see, these are all our past presidents. This is the flow of the events for tonight, and I think you can just take a look at all the different parts of the evening, and then we can move forward. We have a few best wishes from some of our past presidents, and we'd like to play a video of the same.
My best wishes for your success as you prepare to take up challenges and responsibility of this high office. You and your CWC team will take another chapter to greater height. Another chapter has a glorious past, and I am sure you and your young team will add new chapter to it. I wish you much success and personal fulfillment in this new role. Thank you.
Congratulations, first girl president of ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. It is indeed a privilege for me and all senior members to see that we have a dynamic girl who is taking over as ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter president. My best wishes to you and the entire young dynamic team committee of Ahmedabad. I'm looking at you to ensure that our new office gets excellently clear in your leadership, and also someday again we get reformed and academics, which is dream of all senior members. Sure, Mr. Yogesh Thakur will take the secretary and the media.
Please accept my hearty congratulations on becoming first ever woman president of the state Ahmedabad sector. My best wishes for your success as you prepare to take up challenges and responsibility of this high office. You and your CWC team will take another chapter to greater height. Another chapter has a glorious past, and I am sure you and your young team will add new chapter to it. I wish you much success and personal fulfillment in this new role. Thank you.
We are all senior members to see that we have a dynamic girl who is taking over as ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter president. My best wishes to you and the entire young dynamic team committee of Ahmedabad. I'm looking at you to ensure that our new office gets excellently clear in your leadership, and also someday again we get reformed and academics, which is dream of all senior members. Sure, Mr. Yogesh Thakur is going to take the secretary and coming years he will be also our national president. We are going to see it. Big leadership year after year. I can see dynamic leaders who Mr. Sharda, Gaurav, Slade, all lined up for next years. So best wishes to all of you, and sorry for other not being with you. It plays important event. But we are with you digitally. Best wishes are with you. Do a great job. Bring a lot of medals for ISHRE Ahmedabad this year. We dispel, but you are going to make it. This is your responsibility and the entire team's responsibility. Thank you so much.
Can everyone see the screen? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'd like to go ahead with our ceremony, and I'd like to call Mr. Prashant Pathak, who is the immediate past president for the year 2021 and 2022. He is the director of Phalange Industries Private Limited, which is a HVAC contracting company. He started his own business in the name of Vision Air Tech in partnership as a Hitachi dealer in 1999. He has been an ISHRE member since 2012, and he has served as a CWC member for the Society year 2017-18 as a membership chair and as a treasurer for Society year 2018-19. He was the president-elect for 2019-20 year, and he was our past president for 2020 and 21. So he's going to be giving the report for the year 2020 and 21.
Thank you, Sunil, for introducing me. And I would like to start with saying thanks, and I would like to welcome all the dignitaries there on the digitally present with us, and from the HQ national officers and the Tharkar sir and all those officers who are looking us digitally. The year was, can I ask you one question, that how is the duration of a blink? It's just moments or seconds. And many a times we say that good times never last long. And so my tenure, I think, was just like a blink for me. We had a blink and the year was over. And so I thought it was good for all of us. When people are crying for having COVID, having pandemic time, lot of adversities, I think we are being given a different challenge. And when I was being given a different challenge, I think along with me there were more than 42, 43 presidents, and the national president Richie Mittal passed last year also had got the same feeling that we all were prepared for some game. We came on the ground with pads and shoes and helmets and everything, and all of a sudden we found that we are boarded on the jump board of swimming pool, and we have been asked for the swimming. And with all those equipments, we started swimming, and then there was no rules. And fortunately, this entire issue of fraternity could define the rule that how we can run the society digitally also, and can serve the membership for whatever we are bound to as our president or the CWC members. So that was an amazing experience for all of us. In this tenor, as I have mentioned in my presidential address on 8th of March last year, I had mentioned that I had two mentors and two people who were the motivator for us. That Mr. Tharkar and Kamlesh Mehta were the two motivators, and they were role models for us. While I say that they were the two role models, I had two great mentors with me during entire journey, and fortunately, both of them are present here with us. That is Mr. Shailendra Vyas and Mr. Rubish Shah with us. So thank you very much for being with us. I have bothered them ever between their business meetings, between their family times, and they have always said that Prashant, you can do well, and we are with you, and they have showed that faith ever. Going ahead, I have asked once a question to Shailendra Vyas in one of the RCC. We were sharing a common room in one of the RCC, and one night I asked, when I was a president elect, I asked Shailendra Vyas sir that, sir, don't you think that you have made a wrong choice by putting me as a president elect? And he said that I never make wrong decisions, and even if it is so, I make my decision right. So that was the confidence he showed me, and with that confidence, I started ahead. I started my journey as a president, and let me show you some glimpse of my tenure. Rajendra bhai, can you help me share my presentations, please? So we as a fraternity, I think there are three major pillars for any society, and that is always I say, even in my presidential address, I had said that it is community, competition, and celebrations. So we have come together as a community. We have defined that we need a society which can give us an advancement in our own line. And every time when we have come together, we have celebrated each other. So with that, Rajendra bhai, would you please help me to get my presentation on screen? So as a community, we have always come together. We have seen that in pandemic also, the people were at their ease at the home, but at the very same time, I don't think I have. Okay, so we have come together on the same platform, and we all thought that the industry which is feeding us, which is bringing food on the platter at the evening to our family, we must return something back to that fraternity. And then with that thought, all these 12,500 or 13,000 plus members have done a great journey during the last year. And I'll be sharing the slides. Yeah, sure. So Rajendra bhai, can you share the screen entirely, please? Thank you. So let's go ahead with the next slide, Rajendra bhai. Or can you give me flicker, please? Sorry, since I'm not really good at sharing the PPT design technically, but then bear with me for a few more minutes, and I'll be presenting my presentation. And then be next. Yeah, this was the goal given to us, and we have been asked to complete the 75 programs, student activities, 84, K-12, 8, and so on, which you can see on the screen. But going ahead, what we actually achieved is we achieved 57 of the technical programs. We did 54 student activities. We did K-12, 8. Advocacy, we are not having any target, but still with help of DM Kaka, we could achieve 12. And a great job done by membership team that we achieved 130 new and sustenance put together, and 51 were the new membership. Next, Ranjit. Yeah, so when I said that we have achieved 57 plus program, these were the 3 people who were responsible for making this journey fantastic and bringing the. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So these are the 3 people who have helped us achieving what we could serve to the members. And Mr. Amit Sangui has chaired us as a program, has taken a responsibility of program chair. Devnaben was women chair with us, and Venkatesh Tade was the youth chair. With their help, we could achieve all these programs. I'll not narrate each of them because then it will take more 57 minutes. But then these were the glimpse of all the technical programs which we did. I think it is endless award. Yeah, thank you. And this is the man who is behind each and every student activity, along with his team of Mr. Professor Ruchir Parikh, Mr. Sunil Bhatia, and all the faculty members. We are really thankful to all the student committee, and this man is responsible for student activities since last 10 years, and the passion which he has shown is remarkable and outstanding throughout all these 10 years. Even in this time, he has done a great job. He has also done equally good, or rather more programs than what a single committee can do. And these are the glimpse of what he has achieved in his tenure. So, thank you, Professor Shukla, for having an outstanding year in student activities. And Ruchir Parikh was the person who had headed the K-12 activities throughout the year. And the activities, which it was really a tough task, because when we have served the members are matured enough. They know how to sit in front of the cameras and how to behave. But these are the students to whom he has brought to the online platform, and he has done wonderful activity and put some new colors in their life. So that was the wonderful activity done by Ruchir Parikh as a chair. And this is the youngest person in our team, that is Mr. DM Kaka. By name he's Mr. DM Shah, but we call him DM Kaka, and DM Kaka has done more than 12 advocacy programs, and the glimpse of all these programs goes like this. Andrew, please. Andrew. Rajendra, please, next slide. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. So these are the advocacy programs which DM Kaka single-handedly handled throughout the year, and he did more than 12 programs, and that was again a good fit. That at the age of his more than 65, I suppose, and yet we could do 12 more programs in advocacy. There's a man who was behind the earning for the chapter, Mr. Hardik Sharma. Initially, though he was vice chair, but then because of some circumstances, our captain chair could not continue, and he took it over as a membership chair. And then his journey went on. He made 51 new members, 130 renewals, and the supporter to Mr. Hardik Sharma were Mr. Shadab Mazhar, Mr. Harshil Shah, Upendra Pandey, and Mr. Shadab Imam. And I would really say that in each of the programs, Shadab did a wonderful job by placing Ishre's contact numbers and the post for making the membership. So outstanding feat by them. The 1 degree warriors, Mr. Ran Kelkar and Mr. Siddharth Vyas. Though we couldn't do any physical activity looking to this pandemic, but these people didn't stop doing something for the society, and they took 1 degree. If they couldn't do anything here, they took it abroad, and because they thought there is a global concern for all of us, and it is not limited or restricted to the Indian or our society only. And with that thought, they propagated the same thought to global areas also with the help of their student members. And thank you very much. Though Anand Kalkar is not there, he's settled in US, and Mr. Siddharth Vyas is there. I really thank you to both of you for having this feat achieved. Newsletter team, every time, every month. In the beginning of this year, when we saw that it's a pandemic time and we would not be able to reach to the members physically, this was the only media by which we could show that what kind of programs we are completing, what kind of programs we are running for the membership. And this was the only media which helped us a lot. And we decided that instead of having a quarterly newsletter, why not to have it on monthly basis? And immediately Rahul Bhai took it on with the help of Nidhi Madam, and both have done a very wonderful job, irrespective of any glitches or anything. They have always presented this newsletter every month on month on a single date, and that too with value addition in each and every. So none of the addition was copy paste to the previous one. It was all the time different ones. So really outstanding. Even in his COVID time, Rahul Tirga did not stop giving us newsletter every month on month. So kudos to you, Rahul, also for this outstanding work. So thank you very much. And finally, Vijay Panchal was our training chair. We had a great fight. We have discussed a lot. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the ICP. But then, by not having that ICP, we had a bigger perspective over chapter for the coming year. And thank you, Vijay bhai, for having a great debate for the technical programs and your ever seamless support to the society. With the help of this was again the pride moment for the entire ISC, that we could fetch 4 more chapter service award for our own Mr. DM Shah, who was president in 2009 and 10. Mr. Akash Patel, who was president in 15-16, and Urvi Shah, who is our RD right now, who was president in 18-19, and Mr. Shailendra Vyas, who was our president for 19-20. We could fetch the chapter service award for their fantastic contribution and throughout a great help to the society. And I think that this was also been started by Shailendra Vyas sir only, and I think that this has come as a giver's gain philosophy, sir. It has come back to you, because prior to that, I know that the same thing was in a mass condition. You put it in Excel and you made it very fine. And from your time on, we started fetching good awards for all those past presidents and all those members who have worked very well and dedicatedly to the society. So we are really proud for this movement, wherein we could fetch 4 more chapter service awards for the society. The two major things, one major thing which we could do this year is of Rajkot sub-chapter installation, and that was the long pending dream for our society, our Ahmedabad chapter. This time, when we found that, as I said in my earlier statement, that we were ready for the cricket and we have been asked to swim in the swimming pool, we thought that we are left with no more work, and then we thought, why not to spend our time in creating something new for us. And in one of the CWC, a thought came that let us install a Rajkot sub-chapter. From there, the journey started. On 9th December, we could successfully install Rajkot sub-chapter, and with support of all the members, but especially I would like to mention the help and support by Mr. Rajendra Moyada, who is our secretariat. Every time he has been with me, and thank you, Rajendra bhai, you are partner in crime with me in this matter. Thank you very much for that. This was my CWC for the entire year. You can have a glance on it. But finally, I'm thankful to the Anil and Shah, who is our financial and legal support always. And they have also served us in many ways, right from our inception. And then last year, when we bought a new office, they were of the great help to us. Even in this year also, there were a lot of technical glitches and legal problems, issues, but they have handled it very well, and great support by them. And these were my backbone throughout the year. That is Ms. Aditi Shah as president-elect. She has always supported the chapter well. the person who was responsible for arranging CWC meeting and planning for the entire year was Mr. Harshal Sarda, and he has done a fantastic job for all of us by arranging all the CWC meetings in time, on time, putting all the MOM in place. And Asutosh Shah had worked very meticulously for the financial matters and had saved a lot of money. But then again, I would say this year was successful because the success the success came in form of survival. And when I say it was survival year, it was not possible without the kitty we had accumulated over the over past all years. And there I again would like to thank to all the past presidents and all the CWC members of all 29 years, because of their efforts and because of their business acumen, that how to save a penny that fetch us a good amount of money, and because of that we could survive. So that was a really great help during those times, because this was the pandemic which nobody had thought of. And in this time, the kitty which we had, we could survive out of that. And finally, we have been successfully settle the administrative sharing expenses with ASHRAE. Though at some point of time it was bit, it was not good moment, I would say. But then amicably with the help of all the seniors and the wholeheartedness of ASHRAE President Mr. Nishant Gupta and the seniors who were there with us, like Urvish Bhai, Vyas Sir, Nitul Bhai, Tarkar Sahib, Kamlesh Mehta, Yogesh Bhai, everyone. They all contributed to settle it down very amicably, and we are happy to say that we are again one society. We are we are a cohesive society with each other, and we'll be taking it on. With that, I'm ending my presentation, but only one message to my upcoming office bearers, that nobody forces us to be part of ISHRAE. That is voluntary. Nobody asked us that you be a ISHRAE member, you be a CWC member. Nobody asked us so. It is absolutely voluntary. Sorry. So nobody asked us for the to join the CWC or to volunteer the society. That is absolutely voluntary. But the moment we decide on our own that it is I want to be part of this CWC, your contribution counts in the development of the society. And when your contribution counts there, you do not have right to fail, because you have right to fail your own self, but you cannot fail the system entirely. So those who are there on this CWC for this year, the task is yet not easy, because the COVID is yet not over. We have got a lot of challenges there. But I know that the able leadership of Aditi Madam and all the other office bearers will definitely bring the glory out of this adverse condition. With that, I am ending my presentation for this year. I would really say thank to my partner Luby for being with us last year, and Kids Corporation, who has given us a great support throughout the year as a society partner. Even Mitsubishi and LG, who had given us a product presentation, we are thankful for them too, for bringing knowledge sharing session to our society. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Prashant Bhai, for the wonderful report of the year 2020-2021, and for a great year for ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter. Now we'd like to move on with our next agenda, which is the oath-taking ceremony. And for that, we'd like to invite the RD, who is the installing officer, Mr. Urvish Shah. Mr. Urvish Shah has been he has played a lot of different roles at the ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter. He has been the president of ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter for 2018-2019. He has been co-convener of Confluence 2020. In his presidentship tenure, IAC organized first REFCOL, which was a mega success. He has been a hospitality chair for REFCOL 2018. He has been President National Conveyor of ACRISERV 2019-20. ACRISERV has been organized in 32 chapters, sub-chapters. He has formatted the national structure and policy for ACRISERV. Member of RATA. He's a National Advisory Board. He's a BOG member of ASHRAE Western India chapter. He has been in the HVAC industry since almost 1992, and he owns a HVAC contractive company called Thandak Projects. So I'd like to welcome Mr. Urvish Shah, who is the Regional Director West, on the stage, please.
Rajendra bhai, change the slide first. This too much. Now I can take the liberty to remove my mask. Thank you, Sohini. Thank you for giving me the dais. Now, without investing much of the time, I would like to invite our incoming president, incoming first woman president of our dynamic chapter, ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter, to take an over. Miss Aditi Shah Amin. Aditi, are you ready?
No, not yet.
For a biggest pride of your life,
Not yet.
the biggest
I don't think
responsibility,
I don't
biggest
think I'm ready
honor.
next year.
Now, please raise your right hand. Miss Aditi Shah Amin, the general leadership of ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapters is entrusted to you. You will act as a chairman of a CWC and be a part of all committees of this chapter. You will give a direction and a leadership to all the areas of a chapter activity. As chapter president, it will be your responsibility to ensure that the policy directives of the society and your CWC are carried out. Above all, you are the one to whom the members of this chapter can and will direct their criticism of the policies and activities, and you must render satisfaction to them all. The privilege of this service carries with a great honor, a real responsibility, and lot of hard work. Do you, Miss Aditi Shah Amin, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations?
I'm
Do you-
privileged to do so.
Thank you. We know you will discharge your duties and duties well, and wish you much success and happiness in your term of the office. I am especially pleased on behalf of the members of the ISHRAE to install you as a president of the ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapter. I shall now present you the other officers and members of the working committee. Next, President-elect Mr. Gaurang Patel. Welcome, Gaurang. Please raise your right hand. Mr. Gaurang Patel, as a principal assistant to the president, you will at all times be prepared to assume his duties. Should the president be unavoidably unable to attend the chapter meetings, board meetings, and such other duties as may be delegated to you, do you, Mr. Gaurang Patel, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations? It is my pleasure to install you as the president-elect of ISHRAE Ahmedabad chapters. Now may I request incoming secretary Mr. Ashutosh Vyas to please come on the dais. Mr. Ashutosh, raise your right hand.
Mr. Asutosh Vyas, it will be your responsibility to keep the due records of the meetings, attend to the correspondence, and be an aid to senior officers. Do you, Mr. Asutosh Vyas, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in the manual of the chapter operations?
I am honored to do so.
It is my pleasure to install you as a secretary of the Ahmedabad chapter. Now I call upon Mr. Snesa, a very important man, a money man, treasurer. Please come on the dais. Please raise your right hand. Mr. Snesha, it will be your duty to receive all the monies, pay all authorized accounts, and give due accounting financially whenever you are called upon to do so. Do you, Mr. Snesha, promise to fulfill the duties and responsibilities of your office as specified in manual of the chapter operations?
Yes, I do.
It is my pleasure to install you the treasurer of the ISRE Ahmedabad chapter. Now I'm going to install the CWC committee, but with due respect and due permission of all my seniors, I'm going to take here a little tweak. See, at ISRE, we have the committees to support the chapter operations, and we have some important committees. May I request these committee chairs to come on the dais first? May I request Mr. Amit Sanghvi, who is going to be a program chair? Please come on the dais. Mr. Hardik Sharma, who is going to be a membership chair. Please come on the dais. Mr. Ruchir Parikh, who is going to be a student program chair. Not available. In next first CWC meeting, you have to give an oath to the student chair. Right? May I request Mr. Venkatesh Tade, who is a youth chair. May I request Ms. Sohini Shah, Sir K-12 chair. And the women chair is not available. Again, to women chair, you have to give an oath. Please raise your right hands. You can come in the first row. You also. Because you people are required to play in the front. And this will be you are the support system to your office bearers, right? Mr. Amit Sanghvi, Mr. Ruchir Parikh, Mr. Hardik Sharma, and Mr. Venkatesh Tade, and Ms. Sohini Shah. Because of your demonstrated interest and activity in the society and a chapter affairs, your fellow members have elected you to represent them in the chapter working committee. It will be your individual responsibility to meet as a committee. It is an honor and privilege to serve on it. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the activity of the society to install you as a member of the chapter working committee of a ISRE Ahmedabad chapter. You all are installed as a CWC members. Now everybody, your visitors has said, yes, I do. And you didn't get the opportunity to say, I do. Now, whatever the plans, whatever the goals, whatever the targets your officers gives to you, do you all four promise to fulfill that?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, may I request all other committee members, Mr. Vijay Panchal, Mr. Harshal Sarda, Mr. Hardik Shukla, Mr. Rahul Tirgar, Mr. Samkit Shah, Mr. Siddharth Vyas, Mr. Gaurav Patel, Mr. Jignesh Parikh, and all extended committee members, please come on the dais. Also the extended committee members, please come on the dais.
प्रशांत भाई
You are the
Yes,
main
sir.
mentor. a team मध्ये. इथं आपण या साली शिकवाडी.
Sir.
ના, સાહેબ, position બરાબર છે.
पीछे आजा
सुनील आजा आजा भाई आजा यार आजा पीछे आजा आजा
एक जण ने
Oh shit.
It was expected.
my online viewers participants don't worry this stage has a structural report also because this is the hotel of our beloved Mr. Kamlesh Mehta nothing can go wrong here guys please raise your right hand because of your demonstrated interest and activity in the society chapter affairs your fellow members have elected you to represent them in the chapter working committee. It will be your individual responsibilities to meet as a committee. It is an honor and privilege to serve on it. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to this activity of the society and to install you as a members of the chapter working committee of ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. Good luck to you all. To my fellow members of the Ahmedabad chapter, these are your duly elected officers and committee members. They deserve your continuous support. Do support them. Thank you.
Sir, तुम्हें इधर कुछ चला एक मिनट निधि पानी ताकि fix.
मास्क निकालना है तो कहेंगे दूसरा सेक्रेटरी आगे तेरे से तो हमको पहचानते हो पिंकल पिंकल पिंकल
आइए
Pinkal, आइए आपका. Make it fast.
प्रोजेक्ट को बदलना पॉसिबल
ना પછી વાર લાગે.
भटिया जी आवाज है ना
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So after this wonderful oath-taking ceremony, we'd like to move ahead, and we are extremely glad to have the National President of ISHRE 2021-22 here with us today, Mr. Amitabh Sur. And now we'd like to have him say a few words for our for today's ceremony.
Thank you, Sohini. Hello, Ahmedabad. Good evening. That's the energy. I can see that and I can feel that from thousands of miles away. And that's the power of digital, like Richie says. You know, had it been a physical show, probably many of us wouldn't be traveling to Ahmedabad. But from far and away, we have joined your ceremony, and I'm so glad about it. Many, many congratulations to Aditi and also to Prashant. Prashant, you have rolled out a wonderful year. I mean, despite so many challenges last year with the pandemic, the lockdown, and you guys really delivered. And I'm seeing the spirited, the dynamic, the young team of Ahmedabad led by Aditi. And I'm sure this year is going to be even better. and Aditi is certainly going to drive my Lakshya. So that's what I look forward to. Ahmedabad is one of the leading chapters of ISHRE, churned out many prominent leaders, towering personalities like Pankaj Dharkar sir and Yogesh and Kamlesh Mehta, Ashok Patel ji have all come out from this chapter, and I'm sure Aditi is going to fall in their harness and will make this chapter proud and make all of us proud. All the best for you, Aditi. All the best to the new CWC team. Look forward to work together. I am so excited seeing this young team. I know that this team is going to deliver, fantastically well. So good, all my good wishes to you. All the very best for 21-22, Aditi and the new CWC. Thank you. Namaskar.
Now, I'd like to call the National Immediate Past President for ISHRE 2021-22, who was our president for the year 2020-21, Mr. Richie Mittal, to say a few words, please.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes.
All right. So I really love the word immediate past president. So thank you, Amitabh. It's so nice to hear that, IPP. When I was putting in my name, you would have seen that I added IPP. I love this word. And all the best, Amitabh. So I am back on a virtual world, and I have done all my installations. Even I was installed on a virtual world, but I'm so glad to see that at least in this year we could see some hybrid installation, like Amitabh was installed hybridly, and now we see Aditi. Congratulations, Aditi. We are really proud. I think the first women president of Ahmedabad chapter. I think you need a good round of applause from everybody there. I think I can see Ashish Shah on the screen, on my screen, and and your husband, if I'm not, Kshitij is your husband. I can see he was not smiling when you were taking oath. I'm telling you, but now he's smiling at you. I all the best. I have to say all the best to you. So I think Kshitij, it is going to be quite a bit of virtual work. So don't worry, she doesn't have to travel too much. And at ISHRE, we have learned how to conduct meeting, how to operate, as Amitabh mentioned, that we're going to have more and more of meeting on a virtual world instead of face-to-face. And as Amitabh mentioned, that young team, a really young team, I think good to see young people coming up, and they are ultimately going to take on the ISHRE. So thank you very much, Aditi. You have a great team with Gaurang and Prashant. You have done excellently well. I know it is a virtual year for all of us, but still, I can see Pankaj Bhai back on the screen. So nice to see Pankaj Bhai. I know you've been through a bad time at this rough time, but I'm sure you will come out. So with this, thank you, Aditi. Wish you all the very best to the entire team. Congratulations. Thank you.
Now we'd like to call Mr. Yogesh Thakur, who is the National Secretary ISHRE 2021-22, who's from our own ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter, and we are very proud. So we'd like him to say a few words.
Good evening, all my friends. It has been a real tough year. Today I have a dual role here. I am a HQ officer as a National Secretary, and I am from my own chapter as a host. So I welcome Amitabh, Richie, Chandra sir, Utpalda, and all my ISHRE friends who from all and part of India. I am pretty sure they are connected. So welcome to you all on this great event. And firstly, I would like to congratulate Prashant for a great year. It was a tough year. Most of the time, as the history has given the name of a virtual president to our national president, immediate past president Richie sir, even Prashant was a virtual president, and that would have been the case in every chapters. So big congratulations to Prashant and the team. And best wishes to the young team. Really, it's a very, very young and dynamic team under the leadership of Aditi. All the team members are pretty young. But I can assure you, all the seniors, all the past presidents of Ahmedabad chapters are always there to support anytime. I can assure you that. And Aditi is our first lady president of Ahmedabad chapter. You have made us really proud. I have seen you grown as a kid, and I can see Ashish and Jigna. A big congratulations to the whole family. Ashish, Jigna Bhabi, and Kshitij. Aditi, you have made your family proud. You have made all of us proud, and we all are really, we are pretty sure that under your leadership, Ahmedabad chapter, which has given so many good dynamic presidents, good leaders to the society, under your leadership, we'll be having a fabulous year. One more thing which I would like to here point out to all the other friends who are here. This is the second instance where a father and a son and a father and daughter, second two generation. The first generation, Ashok Patel, he was our president, Akash, the dynamic leader at ISHRE and ASHRE. This is the second thing where Ashish Shah, our own past president of Ahmedabad chapter, and Aditi, again the second generation, becoming first lady president. This is the history being created, two generations. And again, Ahmedabad chapter has always given good leadership, and always the past presidents are always there at any time to support. I can see Pankaj Bhai here. I can see many of the past Ahmedabad presidents who must be attending this event digitally, not to name. Thank you once again, and a big congratulations once again, and best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now we'd like the National Treasurer for ISHRE 2021-22, Mr. Utpal Biswas, to say a few words, please.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, okay. So good evening, everybody. And I'm really honored to be here in these occasions. And thank you very much for inviting me. And it was a nice program which we could see that. And this chapter has introduced a very high personalities who had contributed in this ISHRE Ahmedabad for this growth, like Mr. Pankaj Dharkar, Mr. DM Kaka. I didn't know that he's been told Kaka, so I'm taught today that Kaka. So Mr. Jogesh Thakkar, Jogubhai is there already, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, and many more. And Urvi Shah, of course, is there also in that place. And I would like to congratulate Prashant Pathak for this, last year, the way he has carried out with half century. He has done the new members and programs. He has done more than, 50 again. It's about 57. I really congratulate Hardik Shukla, Professor Hardik Shukla, whom I know from the young age of the students chapters only. He has done a good number of students. And I would like to congratulate Ahmedabad for installing a Rajkot sub-chapter. And I would like to mention that all the compliance have been added in the last year, which I have got the information from headquarters also. And thanks to the office secretariat who responds very fast for any kind of things. So we are very happy for he is doing it that. I would like to convey my best wishes to President Aditi and newborn dynamic personnel, and Secretary Ashutosh Vyas, Treasurer Youth Sneha. You have to help me out in the treasury part. So President-elect Gauranga, and the whole CWC and the chapter members also. I remember my old friends are there already, who are Professor Hardik Shukla. I can't forget Mr. Arvind Vera, who had come to Kolkata and celebrated in this AQuest program also. Mr. DN Shukla, my ex-Voltas friend also, and all the other friends also. I really thank you, Urvish, for doing this installation and being a RD of the West too. my request to the all president and the team to make this chapter self-sustained as far as the finance is concerned. Once again, thank you very much.
We'd like to call Mr. Chandrasekhar Sur to say a few words, please.
Good evening, Ahmedabad.
Good evening, sir.
Very nice to see the energy. As Amitabh was mentioning, yes, it is an energy-filled team. You know, I can see that when the new team was installed, you could see the women power there, you could see the youth there, and you could see a lot of wisdom there. You know, when Pankaj Darkar Saab is there in Ahmedabad, and you see the number of great leaders who have come up in the national level from Ahmedabad, there has to be wisdom. And I have always been very happy to visit Ahmedabad whenever I can. And this is a great moment. In fact, during the RefCol time, we had a lot of interactions at Ahmedabad. And it was a fantastic show which was organized by you all, which was the very first of its kind that was done. So congratulations. As everybody mentioned, last year was a pandemic year. We had a lot of difficulties during this pandemic time, but a great work was done by Prashant Bhai and his team. We really stood up in a way in the virtual world. In spite of being virtual, we were in touch with all the members, and the same goes to Ahmedabad chapter, that you were in touch with your members and you served your members. I would only point a direction to the new CWC team led by Aditi. I did not know the daughter father relationship, and thanks to being here in this meeting today, I came to know about that. It is a fantastic Khandan, that's the sort of thing. I am up for it. I really believe it's done. It's doing wonderful things, and people are following up the footsteps of their parents and coming up. Aditi, you are really great to come up in that level, and I would give a direction to you. It is up to you to take it up with your CWC and see whether it can be done and how it can be implemented. See, if at all I can see any chapter. No, you all know that in our chapters we have three types of chapters. One chapter is having less than 250 members. Other chapter having 250 to 750 members. Another chapter having higher than 750 members. If I can see anybody who can get into a category change, it is Ahmedabad. You are now in the 250 to 750 category, and I am sure you can push yourself into the greater than 750 category team. And that's where I am sure you can do it. You can do it if you concentrate on renewals, if you concentrate on new membership. You should not concentrate on only one thing. You should concentrate on renewals and you should concentrate on new membership. If you do that, I am sure this year you will cross that. I am having a lot of confidence that this is a young, dynamic team that will do it. And I look forward. I will end my speech with only one thing. I am just a phone call away. You can call me anytime. Any support you want from the headquarters, we are there for you. Ahmedabad, do a great job in this year too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chandrasekhar sir. We'd like to call our past president, Mr. Pankaj Darkar, who's also an integral part of the ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter, to say a few words.
Thank you, ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. It is a delight to have Amitabh Sur Saab, Utpal Bishwas ji, Yogesh ji, and Chandra ji. Of course, my dear friend Richi. So thank you for blessing Ahmedabad chapter, and what a wonderful day we are today. We have today installed first young girl. We have seen her, as Yogesh bhai said, we have seen her from her absolute young days. So Ashish bhai, congratulations to you also, and Jignay also. And you are so lucky, and we always miss our children's, but she is our child. We have seen her growing, and I'm sure Ahmedabad is going to reach new heights. And as I said earlier, video message that I want Rifcold, I want Acrex, I want everything to come to Ahmedabad, and that is only possible when Chandraji has said that you have to beat 750 marks, you have to beat 1,000 membership and show to India that we can be there. So we would like that to happen under your leadership, Aditi, and we would also like that new office, which we all of us have made, gets new interior, which is high class, and our office should be the best office in India, and you can do it. And all people sitting there, I'm confident that we will have best office of Ahmedabad in India, which is not at all a dream now. So thank you so much, and best wishes to entire young team. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we'd like to call Nishant Gupta to say a few words, who is the Vice President Technical.
Thank you, Aditi. It's a pleasure to be with you. So, dear friends and fellow Ishrites, wish you all a very, very happy evening. Congratulations, Prashant Bhai, for a great year, and I'm sure you would be a relieved man today. But today is
Absolutely.
So today is a special evening, I must say, and for more than one reason. Not only because the baton is being taken over by a brand new young brigade at Ahmedabad, but because probably it's for the first time in Ishri history that one of the oldest chapter of the society and my own Ahmedabad chapter would be led by a very passionate youth icon and immensely capable women leader, our own Aditi Shah Amin. I said my own chapter Ahmedabad as I, like many other leaders, have been a proud member of this chapter for almost more than 7 years before Ahmedabad actually gave birth to Indore chapter. So Aditi, I'm sure this is a very special moment in your life, and more importantly for Ashish Bhai, as you take over the leadership of one of the most iconic chapters of Ishri, which has been nurtured by the likes of DM Kaka, Dharkar sir, Ashok Bhai, Kamlesh Bhai, Shalin sir, I mean Yogesh Bhai, there's so many of them, whom to say and whom not to name. So they're like living legends who have been inspiring all of us. I have no doubts that under your able leadership, Ahmedabad chapter is going to raise the bar. I would like to express my best wishes to you and entire CWC for a fantastic year ahead. And before you may take over the office as the president of IAC, I wish to express special thanks to Mr. Kshitij, who have agreed to part away with you and your time while you get engaged in society affairs. So thank you, team, for all the good work that you're doing for the society. Have a great evening and fantastic year ahead. Urvish Bhai, you might like to take a confirmation from Kshitij on his consent to actually, allow Aditi to take over as a president. You did not do that. We always do it with the better half. Over to you guys.
Thank you so much, Nishant. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, all of you, for your wonderful words and motivating, kind words. And hopefully, we'll be able to serve all of you well. Now we have Aditi, the president for 2021-22, who is going to be giving her presentation now. Thank you, Solvi.
Hi, good evening, all. Can you see the screen? It's a pleasure to be here. I'm humbled and proud to be a part of the CWC and to be the president for such a vibrant chapter of Ahmedabad. I still remember 13 years back when, just a minute. Yeah. So 13 years back, I was sitting right there in the audience watching my dad take the oath as the president of Ishri Ahmedabad chapter. I had never imagined that way back then that few years down the line, I would be standing here in front of all of you, filling his shoes and taking the oath as the first female, youngest, as well as the 31st president of Ishri Ahmedabad chapter. It is such an honor to be here. I'm so honored to be standing in front of you. You've always heard that behind every successful man, there's a woman who's supporting him. But what we have not often heard is behind every successful woman is not only a husband who supports her, but a whole family who stands there like pillars who supporting her. And I would like to take this opportunity. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my support system, my family, my both set of parents who have always been there, always supported me in whatever endeavors I have. And I would also like to thank Kshitij for being so understanding and always motivating me to do more things in life. I would also like to thank HQ officers who have given the valuable time and been a part of the ceremony. Thank you so much. It was so nice hearing from all of you. We'll just move forward. The theme for this year. That's the theme for the year, Lakshya. And I'm thankful to Mr. Amitabh Sur for coming up with such an inspiring theme. I'm also glad to be a part of the Lakshya committee that he has created and to guide the ISHRE forward. These are a constant source of inspiration, our past presidents, right from Mr. Chaitanya Bhatt, who was the first president of ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter in the day back in 1990, to Mr. Prashant Pathak, who all the past presidents have been our guiding light and they have always been here supporting us. I would like to thank my vision committee, Mr. Sanjay Advaryu, Mr. Mitul Shah, Mr. Urvish Shah, Mr. Shailendra Vyas, and Mr. Prashant Pathak. I'll be looking up to you and would keep on bugging you all through the year. These are my office bearers. I am so happy and so proud to announce that this is the youngest ever team for ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. It needs a round of applause, friends. I am taking over as president. Mr. Gaurang Patel is the president-elect. Mr. Prashant Pathak is the immediate past president. Ashutosh as secretary and Mr. K. Shah as treasurer. This is my chapter working committee. Mr. Vijay Panchal, Mr. Amit Sanghvi, Mr. Harshal Sharda, Mr. Hardik Shukra, Rahul Tirgar, Ruchir Parekh, Hardik Sharma, Samkit Shah, Mr. Siddharth Vyas, Mr. Venkatesh Tade, Ms. Sohini Shah, Mr. Jignesh Parekh, and Mr. Gaurav Patel. Thank you so much for accepting the position and thank you for being here today. This is the extended chapter working committee. Membership would be headed by Mr. Hardik Sharma and Siddharth would be supporting him along with the team Upendra, Rahul and Shadab. A membership renewal. So this year we have tried and divided new membership as well as the renewal so we can focus on both of them. Membership renewal will be headed by Samkit Shah. Shadab would be vice chairing the committee along with Harshal Shah and Vijay Panchal as the team members. Program committee would be headed by Mr. Amit Sanghvi and Rahul Tirgar would be the vice chair and Mr. Sunil Bhatia, Mr. Prithvish Shukla and Mr. Gaurav Patel would be the part of the team. K-12 is headed by Sohini along with Adarsh Rajput who will be the vice chair and Sunil Bhatia would also be in the team. Student activity would be headed by Mr. Ruchir Parikh. Vice Chair would be Mr. Sunil Bhatia, along with Mr. Gaurav Patel and Dr. Ragesh Kapadia. Advocacy would be headed by DM Kaka. Vice Chair would be Mr. Vijay Panchal, and SNE would be helping them out. Then we have HNA and ECREC Committee. Mr. Gaurang Patel would be heading that, along with Vice Chair Mr. Shailendra Vyas. Refrigeration and DEFCOL Chair would be Dr. Ragesh Kapadia, along with the Vice Chair Mr. Halchal Sharda and Mr. Ardash Rajput and Mr. Upendra Pandey as the team. Training would be headed by Mr. Vijay Panchal and supported by Mr. Prashant Pathak. Marketing Committee would be headed by Mr. Samkit Shah and supported by Mr. Harshit Shah and Mr. Prithvi Shukla. Youth at ISHRE would be headed by Mr. Venkatesh Tade, and Vice Chair would be Mr. Upendra Pandey, and Ankit Mistry would be supporting him. Women in ISHRE would be headed by Ms. Devna Vyas, along with Nidhi Punjabi as the Vice Chair, and Nancy Nidhi Khanpur and Sohini as the part of the committee. One degree would be headed by Mr. Siddharth Vyas, and Vice Chair would be Mr. Nisarg Kalkar. Partnership would be headed by me, along with Mr. Prashant Pathak. And the partnership coordinator. So this year we also had created a new position called the partnership coordinator. So Mr. Gaurang Patel, who is the president-elect, would be coordinating with all the partners and sending him regular updates about how we are promoting or how we are displaying their studies during the year. National Program Chair, Mr. Shailendra Vyas, would be heading it along with SNE. Social media would be headed by Mr. Venkatesh Tade, Adarsh Rajput, and Nidhi Khanpur. IAC Newsletter Committee would be Mr. Rahul Tirgar, Mr. Gaurav Patel, Ms. Sohini, and Ms. Nidhi. And Finance would be headed by me, along with Prashant Pathak and Snesha. And last, we also have a new position this year called Subchapter Coordinator. And Mr. Prashant Pathak has happily taken up the responsibility to coordinate with the sub-chapters for all their day-to-day requirements. And Shailendra Bhai and I would always be there with him. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our platinum partner for the year, Aeroflex. Thank you so much for trusting us all throughout the year. I know this is a difficult time, but thank you for always being there for us. This is the programs calendar. Our team has already worked really hard and have created a extensive program calendar. These are the technical programs. As you can see, we have almost minimum one program planned for each and every week for the coming year till the end of next year. These are the list of youth at ISHRE programs. That's here also we've planned that to have one program almost every month. Women in ISHRE programs, here we've done the exact same thing. We plan to have one program almost every month. Here in Women in ISHRE, we're also trying to get along with tap with a lot of different societies as well and do programs together. K to 12, Sohini has prepared an extensive plan for the year ahead, and these are the programs that she's planned all throughout. Junior Engineer Series, this program we started 2 years back. Junior Engineers is a specially designed program for upcoming engineers, upcoming HVAC engineers who want to take HVAC as a profession. This is just the basics of HVAC, and it would be the classes would be taken by industry experts or eminent speakers from the city. And we also have special programs for students as well here. As Dharkar Uncle mentioned, our national program Confluence, we will definitely try our best and do if things go well, we will definitely hold Confluence. Last but not the least, I am making another commitment today. This year, I would need all of your support as well. This year, my goal and my aim is to fully furnish ISHRE Ahmedabad's office by the end of next year, before I hand it over to Gaurang Bhai. I want that we complete and fully furnish ISHRE Ahmedabad's office. We are already working on the committee, on preparing the committee for the same. And but that is a goal that I have in mind, and I'm sure we will act upon it. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Aditi. We are looking for a great year ahead with you for ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. And now we'd like to end today's session with Mr. Gaurang Patel, who is the president-elect for the year 2021-22. Just a minute. I'll also like to thank our sponsors, Aeroflex. Before inviting Mr. Gaurang Patel on stage, I'd like to acknowledge and thank our partner Aeroflex, and I'd like to play a video for the same. Just give us a minute. We are just looking for the video. Before we play the video, I'd like to call Mr. Shailendra Vyas, who has been our past president, to come and say a few words for our coming society.
सभी को प्यार भरा ईश्वर नमस्कार. What I can say, when I was talking to Aditi about his becoming president, she was like a little nervous, and I told him only one thing: if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I'm sure, and that Aditi will take this to a new level. And Ahmedabad chapter has always been guided by the legends over here. Ahmedabad chapter is blessed, and I'm sure this is going to be a new height. Ashish bhai is here, with all smiles. Congratulations, Ashish bhai. Oh, so
Thank you.
the family is here, wishing you all. Yeah, Ashish bhai, boliye.
Congratulations on the new team and president, Aditi.
Everybody is saying thanks to you, sir. और कुछ बताइए ना अपने अनुभव से.
नहीं, अभी आपको सुन रहा हूँ. Continue, please.
Okay, Ashish bhai, thank you. Congrats to the family, and Aditi is so energetic. I know, and she is dedicated to his own purpose. So I always say this, being true to purpose. And this committee, this new generation, there's one thing about them is very, very nice, that they are transparent. करना है तो करेंगे, नहीं करना तो करवा लो, फिर कर सकते हो. But I'm sure हम करवा लेंगे. So thank you very much to all for being here.
Thank you so much, Shailendra sir. And Aditi has a request to her father, I'm so sorry, Ashish sir, to say a few words, please.
I'm so proud that she's becoming president. I think after 12 years of my presidentship, and I think she has a reason. Before 5-6 years, I asked her to join ISHRE, and I told her that you have to take minimum responsibility to become a president for the committee for the society. And I'm so happy that without taking any help from me, I could see the team, the program. I'm really pleased. She has done a wonderful planning, and she can really do the good for the society for the coming year, for the furniture, for the whatever work, whatever plan for the committee for the new year.
that we are there. We all past president and me myself is to support her. Aditi, don't worry. You have a fantastic team. You can do wonders. And good luck to you and the team. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashish sir. Yeah. It's okay. We're sorry, just give us 1 minute.
हर्षित भाई लाइन पूरी कर दो लाइन पूरी कर दो nothing है तो please
There seems to be a technical issue with the video. While we wait for the same, I can see a few familiar people. We'd like Mr. Akash Patel, who's been a past president, and also Mr. Ashok Patel, who's also been a past president. Why don't you say a few words for Aditi and the new team?
you would say.
Mr. Ashok Patel, would you like to say a few words?
You continue first. I will speak on.
All right. Thanks a lot, Aditi. It feels so great and it feels at the same time so weird. It feels like I'm getting installed again. We had shared some great moments together in the chapter and off the chapters also. And believe me, I'm so proud to...
Second youngest president.
I'm seriously so proud to see you there. And hope it this year doesn't continue the way it has been continued last year in terms of pandemic, and we can be physically present with each other. And I can see Kshitij out here also. No meeting would be finished if Aditi is getting president and we don't have few words from Kshitij. I don't know if you have planned something for him at the end. You can, have it. If not, I would like to ruin this moment and ask Kshitij to speak.
I don't.
Proud of
Kshitij, if you can speak few words, or you would like to end with the program with that.
And I'm just proud of and just admiring. That's it.
No. Great. So Aditi, thanks a lot again for doing what you do for ISHRE, and I'm sure that with all of us present out here and so many of us in attendees and panelists also, whatever dream which you have done for this year, we will make sure that you try to finish up by the end of the year. Any help required, as usual, by all the future leaders and the past leaders from the chapter, it will be there with you to finish that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank all of you for just being here and motivating me. It is such an honor to be here and standing and filling all of your shoes. I know it is a huge responsibility, but I know that I have all of your support, and it is going to be easy for me.
Remember
Thank you.
one line I said over the call, I would not repeat that line here, but I said whatever happened, this also will go through.
Yeah. Lastly, we also had Ashok Uncle. Ashok Uncle, if you could just say a few words.
You are muted, Ashok Bhai.
Sorry. Congratulations, Aditi.
Thank you.
We are sure that you will be able to do wonderful programs during the year. And for any help, any support, we are always there. You can, anytime you can call us. We are always there with you before you to complete your vision. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Also have another past president for ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter, Mr. Mitul Shah. No, I'm not. We also have one of our other past presidents, Mr. Mitul Shah, who's been a president for ISHRE Ahmedabad chapter. So we'd like him to also say a few words. Oh, looks like he's not here anymore. Okay, we'll move forward now, and I'd like to call Mr. Gaurang Patel, who is the President-elect for the year 2021-2022, on the stage to say a few words and also give the vote of thanks.
So I'm little excited today because like almost after a year we can able to have some program which is physical. So won't 100% physical, but it's hybrid. And always there is a good part behind every things happens. And I can see here that because of the hybrid event, this installation ceremony is being blessed by all our HQ officers, National President Amitabh Sur sir, immediate National Past President Richie Mittal sir, National President-elect Chandrasekhar sir, National Secretary and our own Yogesh Thakkar sir, National Treasurer Mr. Biswas, Vice President from West Nishant Gupta, our RD and my Lord President Urvi Shah and our installing officers. So like all these members all together, all these HQ officers can't be available when we do a physical event. We hardly get a chance to invite or get a slot for one of the HQ officers. But this virtual world has given a time that all of them, we are getting blessings from all of them. So thank you very much, sir. All HQ officers, thank you very much for your time and coming to the virtual platform and blessing the incoming ISRE Ahmedabad chapter. I'm also like to thanks all our past president who had remained present. Sorry. First of all, I would like to thanks our beloved senior members, Tharkar sirs, for their video message, as well as he has been present during on the virtual platform, has blessed the entire team. And I would like to add that whenever he comes and gives some target or some words, that becomes like a motivation for the entire team. This time also he has given a word that we need to make a furniture for the new office. So and at the same time, I always remember the first presentation done by the Kamlesh Mehta sir, when we had thought of to have a new office, and he said how to start. At the time he said, given one example of Akshardham Temple of Delhi. You have to put your thought first. The way Swami Bapa had written on the paper, Yamuna Kinare Mandir Banavu chhe. The thought, once you keep there, your actions will be behind that one. The same way we had kept a thought by Tharkar sir. So we definitely will lead that one and will do our best, and we'll ensure that we will be having a fully furniture office by end of this year. I would like to thank all our past presidents remain present during this entire event. Ashok Patel sir, Ashish Shah sir, Sailendra Vyas, DM Kaka, Mitul Bhai, Akash Patel, and I'm sorry if I forget anyone, and all delegates who remained present over the entire ceremony. I would like to thank my entire CWC team to remain present and to support that ISRE Ahmedabad functions and the motive behind the one, because like ISE is not without this tremendous youth CWC team. We are thankful to our platinum partner, ALP Aeroflex. He's a platinum partner for the society year 2021-22. So we are thankful to him. I am taking this opportunity to also say sorry to ALP Aeroflex because we are not able to play a video because of some of the technical glitches here. But we are very thankful to ALP Aeroflex to support the society operations throughout this society year. I'm like to thanks at this moment my backbone of the ISE operations, Rajendra Mewada, Pinkal, and the entire youth team who has done the work very hard for last 3-4 days to manage this hybrid event. So thank you very much, guys. I'm sorry, like I missed one of the very legend guy. Mihir Bhai is there, our RD Waste 1. Thank you, Mihir Bhai, being present here. Thank you very much for your blessings for the ISC chapters. So, and thank you very much, everyone, for your blessings, your time, and let's rock this year. The commitment we had given to our seniors, we have to fulfill. So let's plan ourselves and let's rock this year. Thank you very much, everyone.
Gaurav bhai, 1000 membership.
Mir bhai.
1000 membership.
Yes, sure, Gaurav bhai.
Yes.
Pankaj bhai has given target, so don't take it lightly.
Sir, Kamlesh bhai had also given one very good statement. Pankaj hai to pakka hai. So we are sure if Dharkar Sahib is with us, we will surely do it. Mir bhai, I would like to request, since like we would like to say few words to you and give your blessings to ISC chapters.
Sure, sir. I mean, I'm part of your team, so I mean, it is not question of blessings. It is indeed an honor to be part of this ceremony today, particularly for Aditi, who is a dear friend, and really feel very proud to see you, Aditi, on this dais. And so is you, Gaurang bhai. I mean, I had a pleasure of working with you last year as you were part of Mumbai chapter. So it is simply amazing that two of my favorite guys are here on the stage, and I see this year Ahmedabad breaking all the records. And agar Pankaj ji ne vision diya hai, 1000 karna hai to karna hai. So matlab is baar ka your vision has to be ab ki baar 1000 par. Very simple vision. What is there? You guys have to do it, and you guys have to make us proud. Prashant bhai, I will take this opportunity for what a phenomenal year you have had last year. Despite of being present virtually and the kind of pandemic we have gone through, you have done simply outstanding work. And you know, the best part what I like about Ahmedabad chapter is the involvement of the past presidents. And that is, wo bolte na jo neev hoye, ek strong foundation nahi. That is these, you know, you guys have these assets of Dharkar Sahib and Ashok Patel Sahib and Ashish Shah Sahib and all that. And I mean, it was pleasure when I was seeing Ashish bhai, you know, I was just looking at Ashish bhai when Aditi was talking, and, you know, I could see that, you know, proud moment in a father's eyes, feeling so good that I mean, you know, today my daughter has gone 2 steps ahead of me. So Ashish bhai, heartiest congratulations to you and your family. And Kshitij bhai, on a lighter note, I don't think so you're going to be Aditi for next 11 months. So I hope you're okay with that. I think she has a very big task on her hand. And my dear Ahmedabad members, heartiest congratulations. You have young and dynamic team with you, and I'm very sure they will take it to the next level. So heartiest congratulations and wish you all the best. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you, Mir bhai. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being a part of our ceremony. Hope to see you in person soon.
Good luck.
Bye.
Hi, everyone. Bye.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aditi. Bye. Bye.
Thank
See you,
you.
everybody.
Bye. So, thank you.
Congratulations, Aditi.
Thank you.
Bye. Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.